Good day, I am Hermosilla Leona. Today, I will demonstrate the proper standard procedure in using and returning drafting tools and materials. Before the activity starts, select the needed tools and material. The second step, you need to clean the table and the tools. And next, wash hands before to start. During the activity, this is the proper handling and the use of tools. This is the proper use of eraser when mistake occur, and follow the standard procedure while working. After the activity, you need to check the tools. Then clean the workstation and turn off equipment and return it to the tool keeper. After to clean workstation, submit finished work. Then return the tools and retrieve your borrower's card. This ends my demonstration. Thank you.